So chroming is a practice where a person may inhale volatile substances. These are chemicals that are used as solvents in products such as paint, glue, and aerosols like deodorants. A person will often inhale these by spraying them into a sock or a bag, and then inhale them to cause a feeling of euphoria or giddiness. But unfortunately, these can be dangerous and it can cause some significant side effects. Chroming can affect the cells of the heart to make them more likely to have a sudden abnormal heart rhythm, which can cause the heart to stop, and this can lead quickly to death. As parents, it's important for us to talk to our children and young people about the potential dangers of chroming. The time to do it is not during the time where a person might be chroming or might be affected by volatile substances or other medications or drugs. The time to do it, I guess, is when we're calm and relaxed, and the thing to do, I suppose, is to be non-judgmental, not to be blaming somebody for experimenting, but to be, without scaremongering, to explain the clear facts about why chroming can be potentially quite dangerous and potentially fatal, and why it's not a good idea to experiment by inhaling solvents.